National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay Area, South Mobile Bay, waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of showers associated with a lake surface low-pressure area capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Farewell Buoy to 26 nautical miles south of Gulf Shores Beach to 15 nautical miles south of Oriskany Reef, moving north at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Santa Rosa Sound, Oriskany Reef, Lola Pass, Sand Island Lighthouse, Gulf Shores Beach, Fort Gaines, Fort Pickens, Fort Morgan, Montserrat Bay and Farewell Buoy. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday for the following marine locations: South Mobile Bay, Perdido Bay Area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles, Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound, coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola. Here's your marine